Hi, this is Amanda and Mr. Jack.
Hi.
And this is for my Language Arts How-To 2016. I'm doing how to raise a monarch butterfly from the plant. So basically this is just a video that I wanted to do with it. I'm just going to ask 3 questions and he's going to answer them. So question number 1 is what are the visual differences between what are the visual differences between a male and a female butterfly, and is there one for a caterpillar?
Okay. With male and female monarch butterflies, there's usually only one difference, and that goes with all butterflies. All butterflies between males and females, there's one difference, and it's visual. With, say, cabbage whites, the females have 2 spots, the males have 4 spots. With monarch butterflies, the females don't have aft wing spots, but the males do. The spots on the aft wing, the back 2 wings, are pheromone pockets. It's all to get a girlfriend. That's all they're there for. They don't affect the flight, they don't affect the butterfly. Sometimes male butterflies are bigger than females. They fly differently though. Males fly very, very erratically, and females are more graceful with their flying. With caterpillars, there's some differences, but you would need basically a microscope to see them.
Okay. Question number 2 is what do the caterpillars and the butterflies eat? Like, is there a difference?
Different foods. Okay.
Yeah.
With all butterflies, let's do this. With all caterpillars, they will eat a wide range of food. Some can eat anything, where some of them, like monarchs, are so highly unadaptive, they can't eat everything. With monarchs, they eat primarily the milkweed, which is the plant their eggs are laid on. Some monarchs have adapted to eating pumpkin, but not all of them. For the most part, some butterflies can eat everything, like I said. Some have specialized, like a monarch would be a specialized eater. He can only survive eating milkweed. But when they go through the metamorphosis, from the larva to the pupa to the adult, they can nectar, which is drinking with their proboscis, drinking sugar water from any plant that has it, from fruit to a teaspoon of granulated sugar and water, like what we do. They can eat anything. But remember, they don't eat, they sip. Like an elephant's trunk, their proboscis does all the work.
Okay, and the last question, are the monarchs more likely to survive in captivity or in the actual wild?
All right, if you think about it, they have no real defenses. Being cute and nice and pretty does not make them survive. What happens is, since they move slow, they get eaten by numerous creatures, from spiders all the way up to birds. So if you think about it, a lot of predators, and they're a prey animal. So that's why mommies have 300 to 500 eggs in some species of caterpillars. With monarchs, they may look pretty, but that's because they're trained to look dangerous. Bright colors is meaning they're poisonous. They're not poisonous, they're toxic. Birds can still eat them. Most likely what would happen if a bird ate a bunch of them, they can get sick. Not die, but they can get sick. I forgot what the question was. In domestic or outdoors. With being outside with all those predators, out of 100 caterpillars, if they were laid right now, 90 to 95% would die before they even became an adult. Where in the opposite way, the way you and I raise them, what happens is they get their own separate little container. They're protected from all different types of predators, so that survival flips. When we raise monarchs, our survival rate is up between 90 to 95%, and some years even better. So raised in captivity, though it's not the natural and the best way to do it, it's the best way to keep the species from dying off, because they are pretty much endangered.
Okay, so this was my video for my how to raise a monarch butterfly, or just monarchs in general. from the plant.
Hit pause
So-
so we can do it again.
So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I hope I get an A.